Europe risks falling behind in 5G race as MWC 2026 spotlights innovation and regulatory hurdles the Mobile World Congress. MWC returns to Barcelona this week for its 20th anniversary, but the focus has shifted beyond smartphone launches. This year's event highlights the rapid integration of artificial intelligence, AI, the future of air travel, and a critical warning. Europe is lagging dangerously behind in 5G deployment. Europe's 5G stagnation. A chicken and egg problem. GSMA Director General Vivek Badranath warned that Europe's regulatory environment and insufficient investment are stifling 5G implementation. While the United States and China lead with 5G SA, standalone 5G, already powering industrial automation in ports and factories, Europe has barely reached 3% 5G SA deployment. This gap isn't just a technical issue, it's an economic one. If we don't roll out 5G properly, you're out of the game. We can talk all we want about competitiveness, but without the networks to support these technologies, we won't progress, Badranath stated. The situation is a chicken and egg problem. Without widespread 5G coverage, businesses won't invest in 5G-reliant technologies like robotics and AI, keeping rollout stagnant. This creates a vicious cycle where Europe falls further behind in the global tech landscape. Regulatory reform and market fragmentation. Telecom leaders are urging swift reforms to Europe's Digital Network Act, DNA, which aims to modernize EU connectivity rules. A recent joint letter from telecom operators to EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen warned of missing out on a digital future unless bold changes are made. A key obstacle is market fragmentation. Europe's 200 telecom operators average only 5 million customers each, making it impossible to match the research and development R&D spending of the US and China, where major providers serve 50 million customers. This scale disadvantage hampers Europe's ability to compete. MWC 2026. Beyond 5G AI, robotics, and the airport of the future, despite the 5G concerns, MWC 2026 will also showcase emerging technologies. Attendees can expect to see AI integration. The IQ era will demonstrate how AI is transforming industries. Airport of the future. A dedicated space will explore how connectivity is reshaping air travel, from airlines to baggage handling. New frontiers. Innovations in quantum computing, robotics, and non-terrestrial networks, NTN, including satellite technology, will be on display. Foldable robot phones. Honor is rumored to unveil a foldable robot phone, although details remain unconfirmed. A critical juncture for European competitiveness, the presence of numerous government officials, including 111 regulatory agency heads and 66 ministers, suggests MWC 2026 could be a turning point. Europe's ability to address its 5G shortcomings and compete in the AI-driven future hinges on swift regulatory reform and strategic investment. The stakes are high. Failure to act decisively risks leaving Europe permanently behind in the global tech race.